Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS. This naked street fighter just arrived with only 8,400 miles. Super cool upgrades, including a lot of nice carbon fiber, bar end mirrors, adjustable levers. Wait till you hear that works exhaust system, fender eliminator. Come on by and make your naked hyper sport dreams come true for only $59.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean bikes in stock.